Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use a rake in Gardenscapes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Gardenscapes, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and get started playing. As you can see, you can click the play button and log into your account to get started playing. So guys, let's say after that you are now greeted by this page where you have started minigame, and guys, in this minigame you now want to use a rake. So as you can see, here is the minigame guys, and now all we have to do to be able to use a rake that is going to allow us to use it as a booster is to just look right here at the right side of the screen where you can see all of your boosters. And as you can see here, we have the glove, the rake, and the shovel. And what you want to do is just go ahead and click on the rake and then remove the obstacles and layers right here that are troubling you. You can click the rake and then click on the obstacle you want to remove it, or the layer, and after that you will successfully use the rake, and then you can continue with playing your level. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.